Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss how you can count the number of vowels in a particular string, how you can count the occurrences of a particular vowel in a particular string. So first of all, let's take an input. So I will take input from the user. So here I will ask to enter any string, okay, and then I transform the string into lower case. So now I have transformed the string into lowercase, and then what I will do, I will create a dictionary of vowels. So initially count of each vowel is 0, so A is 0. Similarly E is 0. Similarly I. Similarly O is 0, and similarly U is 0. So I have initialized a dictionary, and all the values in this dictionary have 0 value. And then what I will do, I will use for in loop. So for character in this my string, okay, if character in vowels, then what I will do, I will increment it by 1. So very simple. So for character in my string, if the character is in vowels, so if the character is A or E or I or O or U, then what it will do, it will increment the vowels. Okay, so very simple. And then what I will do, I will print. So I will use f string. So count of vowels in given string, and then here what I will do, I will print the vowels. So here I will use vowels. Very simple. So let's save it. So let's run it. So it is asking to enter any string. So this is the string. Hello, how are you? I am fine. So let's press enter, and you can see the number of vowels. So there are a number of vowels. A are 2, E are 3, I is 2, O is 3, and U is 1. So it's very helpful for interview point of view, very important code to count the number of occurrences of a particular vowel in a given string. So that's all. Thank you for watching.